Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the boot menu on this watch. First we need to press and hold the upper button and the lower button together and keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo on the screen with the message rebooting under it. And once you see the rebooting message, you will need to release the both buttons and then start pressing the upper button repeatedly until you enter the boot menu. It takes about, I think, 3 or 4 presses. So let's press and hold the buttons, keep holding them. Okay, the watch will reboot, and once you see the rebooting message on the screen, release both buttons and start pressing the upper button. And after a couple of presses or few presses, you will see boot menu. And here we have it. You can scroll through this menu by using the upper button. You can simply press it to go to the next position, and you can confirm the selections by pressing and holding the upper button. You have options like continue. If this option is selected and you confirm, the watch will reboot and it will boot into system normally. Recovery will reboot into a recovery mode. Download, it will boot into a download mode, of course, and power off basically will turn off the watch. Let's reboot it to the system, so let's select continue, and like I said before, to confirm, press and hold the upper button. And now let's wait until it's done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you enter the boot menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.